Outstanding low mileage example, VAT qualifying with high specification 24-plate Ford Ranger, Raptor, 2-litre diesel, finished in absolute black metallic with electric adjustable full black leather Raptor embossed sports seats, covered only 451 miles, fitted with £2,460 worth of optional extras to include. Factory-fitted electric roll cover with bed liner, 17 graphite-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tyres, Fox suspension, blind spot monitoring, advanced automated self-park system, Raptor body styling giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence. Supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 22nd of May 2027. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days. 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management with 6 driving modes to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.